Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. So since the price of Bitcoin after failing to hold the support around this 33,000 did went below 30,000, because yesterday on my video I made it very clear, if the support around 33,000 is going to get broken, then the price of Bitcoin will go below 30,000, and it did. And now we are seeing this relief rally type of scenario playing out here in price action of Bitcoin. But the question here is, has the price bottomed in? According to this indicator what I have here, which has predicted the market bottom perfectly, right, plenty of time, it is indicating the bottom is not in yet. Even though we are seeing this relief rally type of scenario, which is actually normal, very normal after this kind of drop here in price action, right, the bottom might not be in. So that's why we are going to talk about this. So definitely watch it till the end. And also guys, if you haven't destroyed that like button yet, then please do it right now. Yesterday when we were talking about this price range of 33,000 34,000, when it got broken, you can see the price of Bitcoin saw another free fall type of scenario. But exactly guys, exactly at the same time, if you also look at this ATR normalized and William percentage here, we almost got this indication the market might have bottomed in. If this ATR normalized would have actually crossed above this 95 plus 95, right, then we would have gotten this bottom indication, because exactly at the same time the William percentage here was hovering around minus 95, because we know exactly whenever this happened, I mean the William percentage here at minus 95 and ATR normalized at plus 95, whenever this had happened, the price of Bitcoin has bottomed, and after some time we have started this new impulsive movement, because you can see when the ATR normalized is above plus 95, right, and the William percentage here exactly at the same time at this minus 95 area, you can see we got an indication that around this area the market might have bottomed. And after that, you can see after this bottom signal we did saw some more of a range bound type of scenario, but after that the market also started this new impulsive movement. Here similar scenario, you can see after this bottom indication, right, the market started showing this new impulsive movement, and this has happened again and again. I mean, after this bottom indication, the price of Bitcoin has showed some really nice impulsive movement. And now this one thing what we have to understand, even if we are going to see further relief rally type of scenario, I don't want you guys to be fooled, because according to this indicator the market has not bottomed yet. So please be careful, because this relief rally what we are witnessing was on the plan. Let me show you that here. So right now, according to this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, we have talked about it yesterday. Every time the price of Bitcoin has tested the support at this bottom of this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, after that we have seen some really nice impulsive price movement playing out here in price action of Bitcoin. Each and every time the price tested the bottom of this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, we have seen some really nice bounce in price action of Bitcoin. You can see, right, we dipped around this 39 to 29,000 range, and now we are seeing this relief rally. So if this price is going to see another movement here in this manner, then you can see guys, we could be trying to re-enter again around this 33,000 here in a bigger time frame as well. And beside this example, right, also if we look at this falling wedge example which I talked on my yesterday's video, because I showed you very clearly in the past price action, whenever we have lost the support from this rising trend line inside this falling wedge, which is considered as a bullish scenario, but for this to play out we still have some more room left. So that's why you can see inside this falling wedge, this ascending channel, whenever the support got broken, we saw bigger price retracement. Here exactly the same happened. Price was following this rising trend line, we broke the support. As soon as we broke the support, we got gravitated towards the lower line area of this falling wedge. And now if this exact scenario is going to play out, then maybe around this area the price of Bitcoin might have found bottom for the immediate short term, right, for the immediate short term consolidation, some more movement here in this manner, and then final drop towards this lower line area, and only after that starting this new impulsive price movement. Because we know guys, if the price of Bitcoin is going to drop around this lower line area from this falling wedge, then exactly at the same time, right, we also could be approaching towards this 200 weekly moving average, because we have seen that in the past price action losing the support from this 50 weekly moving average, the price of Bitcoin always got gravitated towards this 200 weekly moving average here as well, right? You can see in 2018, 2020, 2021. Now this here, the price lost the support around this December 2021, and now we are slowly heading towards this 200 weekly moving average. So if this is going to happen, I mean price testing the support around this 23,000 range, maybe then this 200 weekly moving average could be also tested, right? So in that case, you can see if this is going to happen, then maybe this 250 weekly moving average could be tested, and then right, and then the price of Bitcoin could be starting this new impulsive price movement. Because right now, guys, right now, not just only the support from this lower line area, from this falling wedge, is holding the price around this 29 to 30,000 range, but also if we look at this one example using this Fibonacci extension lines. So now again here in a weekly time frame, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this Fibonacci extension line from this swing high, right, till this swing low, and look at the targets here to the downside. Because yesterday when the price, or today when the price of Bitcoin came across this 29,000, you can see we found support exactly at this 0.5 Fibonacci extension line along with this falling wedge lower line area. So if this trend is going to see any sort of a relief rally, then we could be again trying to re-enter above this 33,000 or even test this 0.382 Fibonacci extension line, right? Otherwise we could be showing a movement here in this manner. I mean a consolidation or a relief rally type of scenario, right? And then again breaking here to the downward direction towards this golden pocket, the 0.618, and then only starting this new impulsive price movement. So maybe until then, right, maybe until then, this buy indicator will also give us a final confirmation, because we know this downtrend actually makes a lot of sense, not just only looking through this different perspective, but also through this Wyckoff's market cycle. Because according to the Wyckoff's market cycle, the price has broken this redistribution phase, right, just like as shown in the example. And now after this pullback, you can see we also saw some relief rally exactly as shown in the example. So that's why this relief rally might be programmed. I mean a relief rally here in this manner, and again continue this rally, forming actual accumulation phase, right, actual accumulation phase, and only after that starting this new markup phase for Bitcoin. So that's what, guys, you can see, even if we are going to see some sort of a relief rally, please do not get fooled. The market might not have bottomed yet. So these are some of the interesting scenario I thought sharing with you in today's episode. If you enjoyed my work, then please hit the like button, and also for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.